using smart robots, predominantly in the depot. We focus on the maintenance of the train, specifically the visual inspection. Currently, this is done by operator. It's a pretty difficult task where you have to be under the train. So we want to help them by doing this inspection with robotics, where they can focus on repairing the train and maintaining them.
So the robot today is able to identify the basic functionalities to at least cover 30% of the maintenance plan. So the smart robot is one of the solutions that we have to improve the data acquisition, to help to do automatic inspection. So we help the operator to be aware as soon as possible when there is a defect, when it happens, or to help them to correct it as soon as possible.
Smart robots helps sustainability by measuring periodically the same assets. Let's say in the case of the brakes, we can see how the brakes are doing wear and tears over time. Currently they can be time-based replaced, but with this technology we can basically see how they're gonna wear in time and do condition-based maintenance. So we'll extend the life of some equipment.
By really moving from scheduled maintenance to a condition-based maintenance can push back the replacement of the parts of the rolling stock, helping in that case to push the life expectancy of the parts, so we don't need to replace it if we don't need it anymore. And even more than that, because we have predictive maintenance, you can improve and optimize your supply chain, so you only ship the part that you will need to replace the missing part and the faulty part in the train only when it's needed and in the best way possible.